everyone, welcome back. If the BMO app stopped working right after an update, this usually means the update did not install clearly. First, start by restarting your phone. This clears leftover update files. Next, head over to your app store, search for BMO and make sure that your app is fully updated. Sometimes a small follow-up update appears, so make sure to check for an update. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes as well. Then, check your phone system update as well. Banking apps often require latest operating system. If the app still does not open or crashes, uninstall the BMO app and reinstall it. To uninstall, long press on the BMO banking app and then delete it. To reinstall, go to the app store, search for the app and reinstall it from there. Once reinstalled, log in again and allow all required permissions. This should restore full app functionality after an update, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick